while waiting for the participants to join. So, syempre, no, if ever na you're still waiting, you greet your participants. Ma'am, kumusta? How are you, ma'am? While you're waiting, there's coffee at the back, no? And then please occupy the seats in front. Keep yourself comfortable so that you can enjoy the session. Okay. If ever you're done with that and you are going to start, then we have the prayer. So, ang prayer nato is the Pioneer templated na prayer. If ever you have your own, you can do it. Okay, you can use it. Why are we using this one? Because dali na kayo siya. Diba? Kaya kasi maghuhulan tadara na worship, dugigi makuman. Okay, so it depends on you, depending on your crowd. Alright? So, sige. As if we're already done with the prayer, now let's start the session. Okay. Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday everybody! How are you feeling right now?
Fine.
Are you feeling good? Kamusta mga tuwang hapon? Katulugon, sleepy, natay kape sa gawas. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I know some of you are busy, some of you layo pa kayo. Ma'am, I heard you're from where na? Pagatian, grabe, overnight na travel just to be here. So, thank you so much for joining us today, no? For an exciting business opportunity that we have here in Pioneer. I would like to introduce myself. I am Chad from the training department, and it's good po na to know all of you here today. So, before we start, can I know kung kinsa ni ako mga participants? Alright, so can we start here? So guys, there's too many of you, no? So, ulit na mga man. But what you can do, no, is to always interact with your participants. Okay? Give me your name, who invited you, and one word that best describes what you're feeling right now. So yeah, can we have just one? Ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good morning, everyone. My name is Betsabe Pepino, and my branch manager is Rowena Malay. I'm feeling great right now and excited to learn.
Alright, can we give it a round of applause? Okay, so thank you so much. And just like ma'am, we are also very excited to have you here today. So ano po ba yung pag-uusapan po natin for the next hour and a half? Okay, so we are going to get to know who Pioneer is and the values that set us apart from the rest. We are also going to talk about how you can unleash your true potential and take your career to the next level. And lastly, we are going to turn your purpose into achievements. And that includes creating an impact on the lives of the people you are going to help. So guys, are you excited to know about Pioneer?
Yes.
Ay, magkulang sa kape. Again, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much. So before we dig deeper now, I want to get to know you a little bit better. Alright? I want to ask, where do you currently belong? Are you currently employed? Are you in a business? Or are you waiting for an opportunity? Sige po, raise of hands for all of those who are currently employed. Okay, we have some hands here. Very good. How about those who have a business? Okay, medyo daghan. Good. How about those waiting for an opportunity? Alright, tanan kita, diba? That's why we are here. Alright, so thank you so much everybody for letting us know your current situation. And we have good news for all of you. Because regardless of your current situation, this opportunity in Pioneer might just be what you are looking for. So for you to know this better, we are going to show you a video featuring Paula and what she discovered about an opportunity here in Pioneer. This video is going to run for less than 3 minutes, so please, let's give our full attention in this video. Let's watch this.
Hi, I'm Paula, a proud wife and want to do adorable kids. Like most of you, my family is my priority. That's why I left my 8 to 5 job to spend more time with my kids. But being a good mom, though, doesn't mean letting go of one's passion or personal and professional growth. support the growing needs of our family. It's hard to have all those, right? But today is your lucky day because I'm going to share with you this interesting opportunity from Pioneer. Yup, it's a business opportunity and so much more. It doesn't matter if you're currently employed, managing your own business, or still waiting for that perfect break. Pioneer can certainly help you. Curious? Here's how. Pioneer provides a business opportunity for you to earn and make a difference in the lives of others even while working from home. So you see, it's not just about money. It's also food for the soul. As for money, your income is as good as how you want it to be and how much effort you'd like to put in. It's the opposite of being an employee where everything is fixed. Here, you set and meet your own income goals. Earlier, I touched on work-life balance. With Pioneer, that is really possible. Since this business allows you to manage your schedule, you can customize it to create time for your passion projects. For some people, that could be crafting, becoming a yoga teacher, training to become a triathlon athlete, or writing. In my case, my passion is honing my singing skills and baking. With Pioneer, that's 100% possible. Another sweetener is that, in this business, you can meet new friends and build meaningful relationships. Real friends are treasures, and as a people person, this excites me a lot. For a lot of millennials like me, doing something good for humanity is a source of fulfillment. How great it is to be able to earn while doing something noble. Wow, that's good vibes for you and me. As you earn, you're also able to help your family and friends meet their financial needs. Who knows? Maybe you can also help them fulfill their bucket list. Literally, you're earning good money and doing good deeds for others too. I hope that like me, you too got interested about the benefits of the job. Maybe right now you're asking how we're able to help others. It's actually through different products that ensure financial security and freedom from financial worries.
Alright, so were you able to completely watch the video? Yes? Okay, so just like what Paula said, in the video, here in Pioneer, we are going to offer you a business opportunity now wherein you can earn while creating an impact on the lives of the people you help. Dito po sa Pioneer, you can set and meet your own income goals because your income now is as good as how you want it to be and how much effort you'd like to put in. Which is actually the complete opposite of being an employee kung saan, di ba, kapag empleyado ka, everything is fixed. Dito, depende on how hard you work, the more you'll earn. Here in Pioneer, you can manage your own time, you can meet new people, you can build meaningful relationships, and ultimately, you can create an impact on the lives of other people. That is what we can offer here in Pioneer. Okay? And speaking of a business opportunity, what makes a good business? So, ano una dyan? One that helps people. Do you agree with me na iba talaga yung satisfaction knowing na what you're doing not only helps you, but the people around you? Diba? Iba yung fulfillment knowing na nakatulong ka sa ibang tao. Next, one that assures stability. A business that will be your partner for life. Yung business na hindi ka iiwan sa ere, di ba? Panghabang buhay. Next, you also have one that allows you to earn and grow, both professionally and personally. And then sabi nga nila, di ba, if you are going into a business, okay, iba talaga kapag meron kang dependable and trusted partner. Okay, and kami po dito sa Pioneer, we are more than willing to partner with you in this business. Ayan. So siguro tinatanong nyo, sir, sino ba si Pioneer? Diba? For us to get to know the company better, let's watch this video.
are serious and sincere people, professionals.
I remember hearing as a child, listening to my father talk about shipping, always hearing the name pioneer, pioneer, pioneer. So eventually when I joined the company, much later, it was really like a long
I
trend.
know that I'm with my fellow doers and achievers who equally share our common dream to build a better future for our community.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa tulong na ibinigay ninyo sa mga taong katulad ko na nagdanas ng malaking kalamidad.
Sinabi ko, huwag kang mag-alala kasi, kahit natanggal ka, bibigyan pa rin ang tulong dahil nasa payo ng insurance.
Kaya kung Pioneer, tayo ay super natin yung certificates.
Alright, so there you go, no? Pioneer is a proud 100% Filipino company. And for over 70 years, that's 7 decades, we have helped countless Filipinos protect themselves, their families, and the things that matter most to them. At alam niyo po, no, we take pride in Pioneer's role in shaping the insurance industry. Alam niyo po ba, Pioneer is one of the few commercial insurance industries that are able to cater to all socio-economic classes from A to E through our wide array of life, non-life, and retail products. That is what we can offer here in Pioneer. So, ang tanong, how do we prove that? Paano natin mapapatunayan that we are able po to really help a lot of Filipinos? So that can be seen through our proven track record. Alam niyo po sa Pioneer, we consistently honored our promise by delivering when it mattered the most. So dito, no, in recent major disasters, these are the claims that we were able to settle. Diba, yung Ondoy, 1 billion pesos yung binigay ni Pioneer worth of claims. Yung Yolanda, 1.2 billion. Diba? Ulysses, 478.9 million. At alam niyo po ba, no, in the pandemic, Pioneer was able to pay close to 15 billion pesos worth of legitimate claims. So imagine, no, we are providing crucial need to our policyholders when it matters the most. That is what we can offer. And then we are also very proud to say that we are one of the market leaders, both in life and non-life products. We are number 1 in aviation, marine hull, microinsurance, special risks. We are number 2 in casualty, in fire, and number 3 in crime insurance and marine cargo. So guys, take note, no? Yung numbers kanina na nakita ninyo, they are more than just figures. They reflect real people and real help extended when it mattered the most. So ngayon, I want to show you a video showcasing how Pioneer was able to help its policyholders. So let's watch this.
Gusto naman natin, hindi kaya ng budget natin.
Noong una, nagsisisi ako kung bakit na-membro ko yung apo ko. Hindi naman ako nagpaplano ng mga ganun-ganun. Pangalawang apo ko si Eric Kelvin. Mabait na apo. Sabi niya sa akin, paglaki ko nanay, magtatrabaho ako at hindi ka na magluluto.
Kahit saan siya magpunta, ano siya ng mga members. Ang magaan ang loob sa kanya.
Bale, ano siya, komentarista sa TXIC. So, yung programa niya dati, marami siyang natulungan.
Nasusuka daw siya. Parang iba talaga ang pakiramdam niya kaya tinakbo namin sa ospital.
Sabi niya, Han, sindong bayak ka ron, Han. Lakas na ng hangin, umulan. Sino ang sigaw kami?
Ang naging finance kasi ng doktor sa kanya, kailangan niya mag-opera. Kasi pag hindi naagapan yun, sasabog.
Hinanap ko sa inyo, pero doon pa lang, alam ko na talaga na parang masaya naman siya, nalulog na siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, sana tulungan mo na lang kami. Sana hindi kami mapawan.
Noong buhay pa siya, siya yung unang sumasalubong sa akin. Pagpasok ko sa kwarto ko, siya na mismo ang naiisip.
Paano kung magantay ako ng 30 days, tapos namatay na pala ang asawa ko, di useless yung insurance na sinasabi niyo, ito na ang inaasahan mo. Wala pa na ako makukuha. Paano opera ng asawa ko? Sabi ko gano'n sa kanya.
Ang pagkaalam ko kasi, pag may insurance ka na, marami ka nang mamatay, ganun. Sabi ni Monsignor na hindi mayroon kang insurance, hindi naman dapat isipin natin pamatayan dahil sabi niya, hiram lang natin ang buhay. Hindi sa atin, sabi niya. Pero ngayon, naipaliwanag sa amin, yung nag-claim namin, yun ang binayad namin doon sa ginastos namin nung nasa ospital siya.
Malaking tulong yun sa paggastos-gastos naman ng araw na pagkatapos ng sindong.
After 1 week, kami nga, nung una ko nilibigyan ng Pioneer. At dahil doon, natuloy ko ang operasyon niya.
Pagkatapos talaga ng sindong, wala talaga yung piso, wala akong nadala. Nakatulong talaga sa amin yung insurance. Kasi yung papa ko, 2 buwan din siyang nasa ospital. Gusto ko talagang bumalik sa negosyo ko. Pero, in-deserve ko para talaga yung pera. Pagawa talaga ng bahay para sigurado rin na meron talaga kaming matuluyan.
Dahil sa Pioneer, gumaan din ang pakiramdam ko dahil alam ko na meron kami.
We were able to pay our debt.
Tangan namin.
December 25, kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Pumunta sila doon. So, naging masaya ang aming Pasko. Tapos, tuloy-tuloy na ang kanyang pagaling.
For what is your life? It is even a day for appearing for a little
Daghan
time.
na kay na-save ang Pioneer. Uy, tanaw pila ko mga bilyon na bayan.
Kung gusto na akong huli
Yung kaban kung ofera na ito, mahadlok.
yung palang message na gano'n, kailangan pala may practicality. So,
Naon para ilangan na yung ginapon.
Okay, so how did you feel po after watching the video?
Katugon.
Nakaka-touch, Mac, di ba?
Hmm.
Kasi sabi nila, di ba, we're always talking about how Pioneer was able to pay for the claims. Pero at least ngayon, nakita niyo na real life stories.
Yes.
Meron talagang mga tao, di ba, na natulungan si Pioneer at sila mismo can
Nagtiwala.
are a testament to that. So, as you can see po, no,
Nagtiwala.
these real stories, they teach us what truly matters. At ano po yun? Na yung worth of an insurance company is always proven if it is able to deliver on its promise. Do you agree?
Yes.
Diba? Kasi yung iba sinasabi nila, number 1 kami sa GPW, number 1 kami sa ganito, ganyan. Pero you can never really tell the worth of a company unless ma-prove na natin yan if they are there with us in times of need. And yan po yung napatunayan ni Pioneer. Sa Pioneer po, we don't just talk about insurance, but we act on it.
We just don't.
We pay claims because that is how we are able to earn the trust of our policyholders. Alright? Okay, so aside po no, from fulfilling on our promise of paying claims, what truly sets Pioneer apart is that we are being trusted by big industry captains. Alam niyo po ba no, that big industry captains such as SM, the country's largest retail operator, Lazada, one of the
Just don't
leading
talk about
online shopping
insurance
platforms in
that
the
we
country,
deliver.
Cebuana Lululian, one of the biggest microfinancial provider in the country, Motor Trade, one of the top motor-brand motorcycle provider in the country, and Maya, among others, they partnered with Pioneer because they trusted who Pioneer is. Okay, and not only that, no, we also have joint ventures from trusted brands like Meralco through M Pioneer, Card through Card Pioneer, and Honored through Ube Rhino. So as you can see, no, these trusted brands choose to partner with Pioneer. So we hope that you would also do the same thing, to partner with us. Pero siguro ngayon, you are still weighing your options. Talaga bang magtitiwala ako sa Pioneer? So allow us no, to give you more reasons kung bakit partnering with Pioneer is definitely the right choice. So as you can see here po, no, with over 70 years of serving the Filipino, we have received various awards and recognition from different award-giving bodies in the Philippines and in abroad. Alam niyo po ba, kami rin po yung top live events insurer in the country, which shows we are not only being trusted by companies in the country, in the Philippines, but also international organizations. At eto, we are proud to show you some photos of the ongoing construction of our 5th Pioneer House in the Philippines. Yes po, no, 5th. Ano po ba yung mga Pioneer Houses natin? These are the main offices po na tayo yung nagmamay-ari. Okay, we have one in Makati, we have one in Manila, you are sitting in another one here in Cebu. We also have one in Cagayan de Oro, and the 5th one is in Bonifacio Global City. Alam niyo po, we always say na you can really test the stability of a company if it is expanding. And literally, no, we are doing that. Because in 2026, no, our operations in Makati will transfer in Bonifacio Global City. Alright? So, as you can see, no, that's the stability that we can offer. Okay, so siguro yung tanong nyo, paano ba ako matutulungan ni Pioneer? So, ito na po yun. We provide a business opportunity for you to earn and make a difference in people's lives while you are working from everywhere. Kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede ka kumita kay Pioneer. So, ano ba yung negosyo natin? We are in the business of financial planning. So, when you talk about financial planning, ano ba bang ibig sabihin nito? So, it is the business of helping people achieve their financial dreams and resolve their financial issues through proper money management. We, in Pioneer po, we are not just selling insurance. We are not selling products. But we are here because we want to help people. Especially yung mga tao na meron silang mga problema sa finances nila, they don't know what to do, no, for their future, for their family's future. We are here to listen to them. We are here to help them uncover their needs and to provide a solution that best suits their need. Yan po yung goal po natin as Pioneer Financial Planners. Okay, so alam niyo po, maraming tao ang nag-join sa Pioneer because gusto nilang yumaman. Diba? Admittedly, no, when you decided to join here, one of your main goal is to really get rich. Diba? Maging kagaya ni Ma'am Sharon.
Yes.
Diba? Maging mayaman. Pero alam niyo po ba, a lot of agents stayed with Pioneer not because of the income, but because they can make a difference in the lives of other people. They are able to create an impact sa buhay ng ibang tao. And that's what we really want for you guys, no, to experience here in Pioneer. Nakatulong ka na, kikita ka pa. Okay? Ayan, so kanina, diba, you were able to hear real life stories, no, of people who were able to overcome setbacks, Ngayon naman, I want to share with you, stories coming from real Pioneer Life agents on how they were able po to create an impact or make a difference in the lives of their clients. So meron tayo dito, this one, she is Paula. Paula from Lipa, Batangas. And then dito yung story niya, niligawan niya yung kliyente for 5 years. Imagine, 5 years niyang niligawan. Kasi every time na magpe-present siya, laging busy, laging merong rason. Pero she was persistent. Talagang alam niya na kailangan ng tao to ng insurance kasi yung taong to is the breadwinner. So finally, napaka-oo niya. Unfortunately, namatay yung kliyente niya, hindi pa umabot ng 2 years. Hindi pa umabot yung 2 years. So, as you can see, ano yung sabi niya? Pinaka-fulfilling na pakiramdam ay yung ma-serve mo ang purpose mo as an agent. At yan ay makatulong sa mga kliyente mo. Sabi niya na hindi ko man nabalik yung buhay ng taong to, but I was able to really help the family continue on living. Okay, that's the beauty of insurance because, di ba, ayaw nilang makinig sa insurance agent kasi lagi natin pinag-usapan ay death, patay. Okay, they need to realize that, di ba? They need to realize na we do not buy insurance because someone must die. We buy insurance because someone must continue on living. Okay? At eto, meron tayong another na testimony. Okay, from her very own. Diba, Ma'am Sharon Restauro? Diba? So, si Ma'am Sharon Restauro, can really share with you after the session kung ano yung story, behind this client. Pero look at here, yung sinabi niya sa post niya. In times of loss, financial security can provide a glimmer of comfort. The swift payout is a testament to Pioneer's unwavering promise to deliver when it counts the most. Diba yung sinabi natin kanina, na you can really prove the worth of a company if it is able to deliver on its promise. And were we able to deliver the promise, ma'am? Yes.
In less than a week.
In less than a week. Diba? We were able to pay for the claim. Magkano mang yung claim?
Almost 4.5.
Yan. 4.411 million pesos. Diba? So imagine, Ma'am Sharon was just doing her normal work of insuring persons. Pero grabe yung impact niya sa buhay ng mga taong naiwan. That could also happen if you join us here in Bali. Okay? Ayan. Kasi po, when you decide to join us, just like Paula and Sharon, you too can also help a lot of people. Because in truth, there are a lot of needs na meron yung tao that can be addressed by life insurance. Ano po ba yung mga needs na yun? Need of protecting the breadwinner, especially, di ba, income protection fund yan. Pangalawa, need for education fund. Pangatlo, need for retirement fund if you want to enjoy your golden years. Need for investment opportunities and estate conservation tool. All of these needs can be addressed by the services and the products that we offer here in Pioneer. Okay? Kasi po, sa tulong ni Pioneer, madali mo nang matutulungan ang sarili mo, ang kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, lahat ng mga taong malapit sa puso mo, kasi kung ano man ang kanilang kailangan, meron pong Pioneer na product para sa kanila. Okay? Yan po yung gusto ko namin iparating sa inyo because if you join this business, you can really help a lot of people. Okay, so siguro ngayon yung tanong nyo, how will I do this with Pioneer? Paano ba ako matutuloy ng Pioneer? So, kung kamo, you are going to join us here in this business, we will ensure that you are fully equipped to become the best financial planner that you can be. That's why po our training curriculum known as iGrow. iGrow po stands for induction, getting on board, reinforcement, optimizing, and holistic development. It is designed to help you gain the knowledge, the skills, and the tools you need to succeed and thrive in this industry. Okay, after you are going to be trained, after you are going to be developed, a pioneer, it will now be very, very easy for you to approach your clients on how you can offer the smarter choice para sa kanila. So siguro you're asking, sir, paano nga ba yung pag-approach sa kliyente? How do I share the smarter choice to them? Actually, meron ako dito. Okay, meron ako ditong sample na role play kung paano ba natin to gagawin. How to approach your clients. Pero syempre, di ba, ang pangit naman ko, ako lang nag-role play dito. Okay, is it okay, no? Para hindi tayo, di na katulugon, can I ask for a volunteer who can become my prospective client? Okay, nanay ni Kuan. Dili siya volunteer, pero naiging tudlo. Ma'am, ditudlo ka sa person at your back. Okay, ma'am, can you become a volunteer? Okay. Sige, what's your name po, ma'am?
Melanie Dinaro.
Ma'am Melanie, can we give Ma'am Melanie a round of applause? Okay, sige ma'am, dili ka. Share the stage with me. Okay. So guys, okay, di ba usually, kapag you are going to have, when we do prospecting, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na natural market? Usually, sino ba yung natural market natin? Naalala niyo po ba yung KKK? Kapamilya, kaibigan, kakilala, very good. Pamatid si ma'am sa akong session. Okay, so let's say na si Ma'am Melanie is my prospective recruit. So let's say, ma'am, ikaw ang akong tita, si Tita Melanie. And I invited her for coffee, di ba? Kasi, syempre, we want to talk. And then, eto guys, when you're going to talk to your prospective recruit, ayaw dilitsuan ng tita na ako'y i-offer sa imuha. Okay? Na ako'y offer sa imuha ng product. Okay, mo ni siya because that's not what you do. You need to build rapport first. You need to build connection first, diba? So for example, si tita, ang akong goal is to offer her the smarter choice. Okay? Syempre, you need to build rapport first. So, sige, what if naka-build rapport na ta? Okay? And then, I will ask you, so tita, thank you for coming over. Diba? So I know na busy ka, tita, but daga nakita na storyahan ganina. Pero tita, ganina, we talk about savings, diba? So, tita, matanong ko lang sa'yo, do you value savings? No? Do you think it's important? Yes. Diba? So, tita, para asa man ka save? For the future. Kung man, tita, ang mga goals ninyo, why are you saving money?
Para sa school sa ako.
Para sa school sa ako. What else? Ngayon no? Or tita, also with your, with health fund, diba? Diba kasi right now, diba, nakita nato, daghan kayo mga nanggawas ng mga sakit, diba? So, tita, actually, perfect time that we've met because napo i-share sa imo na story. Okay, na I think it's also very relevant sa imong situation right now. Because tita, if ever na asa man ka-save ang mga tao right now, usually sa asa man, di ba sa bank? Sa bank, di ba? Pero kung sa banko ka-save ang tao, pinaka-percent na ganit karoon ba ang tubo sa banko every year? Di ba gamay na kayo, di ba? Mga 0.75 or pinakadako na 1%. Karoon kita, if ang tao, let's say, kasi siya sa bangko o 5,000 a month, di ba sa in a year, pila na siya? 60,000. And then, plus, ang gamay na kayo na interest na pwede din makuha, di ba? Karoon kita, kabalungan ta, di ba, na critical illness can happen to anyone at any time. Pero ito ang question kita, do you think critical illness barato or mahal?
Mahal.
Di ba mahal? Kung magkasakit, usually around how much?
Depende sa sakit.
Depende, di ba? Pero around kilaman. O usakay, di ba? 6 digits. Di ba? 6 digits. So, kita for example, let's say na nagka-critical illness ka. And then, ang kwarta mo na nasa bangko. So, syempre, you're going to get your money from the bank para sa pagpagamot. So, pila naman ang kwarta niyo sa bangko? Sino lang? Di ba, 60,000 lang, di ba? Plus ang interest sa 1 year.
Gamay kayo.
Karon, since maorally, do you think enough na or kulang?
Kuwang.
Di ba? Kulang na kulang. Di ba? Ang 60,000 mo na down payment na gani hospital, di ba?
Kuwang.
Ba? So, if ever kung imo ni kwaon tanan, what's ang mabilin sa imo ha?
Zero.
Zero balance, di ba? So, sayang tayo ang account, nag-open mo, kaya ma-close to siya. Pero tita, I want to show you another scenario. Because from where I'm from, naami ginatawag na smarter choice. Kung ako ang i-share sa mga tita, interested ka ba? Okay, so mo siya tita. Sa smarter choice, the same amount lang. 5,000 pesos Japon kada bulan, that's only 167 pesos per day. If you multiply that to 12 months, pila in 1 year? 60,000 pesos, diba? Ang annual na include. Pero tita, in case of critical illness, sa smarter choice na kung i-share sa inyo ha, you can have 130,000 pesos na critical illness benefit that you can use if you are diagnosed with a critical illness. Diba? So imagine, 60,000 pesos ang imo ang nabutang for 1 year, pero kung ma-diagnose ka, 130,000 pesos. Is it good, tita? Diba? And then, mo niya siya ang mas nice. Kung wala ni mo nagamit ang imuhang critical illness benefit, na kay guaranteed 500,000 pesos maturity benefit for retirement at age 65. So imagine, if ever you're healthy, once you reach 65, napaka-guaranteed benefit. Okay ba? Okay na okay. And then, nobody tita, napatay non-guaranteed completion bonus. Napakay pwede ma-earn na additional dividends, no, depending upon the performance of the company. At mo ni siya ang pinaka-the best thing kita about the smarter choice. Because this product is an insurance product. Meaning to say, tita, you have that peace of mind knowing na kung na ay matabog na dyan, nawawan hindi na pangayo, 500,000 pesos death benefit will go to your family. So, tita, what do you think about smart choice? Practically good siya. Okay siya, diba? So, ikaw papilion. This one, the first scenario, or yung smarter choice? Smarter choice. So, tita, no, kaya smarter choice, ano siya pangalan? This is Drive 65. So, tita, interested ba ka to know more about this product? Sige, order tag kape para kayo mo na dugi-dugi yung discussion. Okay? Kape first na. Okay, so that's one scenario. Let's have another scenario. So, tita, diba, talking about critical illness kanina, I have here another scenario for you. So, tita, the same lang. Let's say 5,000 per month ang iyang save. Multiply na to of 3 years. Okay, 3 years.
180.
Pila ang total mo na ibutang? 180,000, di ba? Plus ang gamay na interest in 3 years. And then, karon kita, no? Wala man nato ginapangayo, pero what if there is unexpected death? Diba, what if, diba, you're taken out from the picture? Kung ang kwarta ni mo natanan sa bangko, for 3 years of saving, pila lang ang kwarta na ma-add sa family mo?
180 plus interest.
180,000 lang plus ang gamay na interest. Do you think that's enough?
No.
Oh, diba? Dili lang 180,000 because ako ba na bangko na ay holding period, na kay deduction penalty, plus napatay estate tax na ginatawag. So di ba tita, no? Gusto ba kayo na matabo in the future? Of course not. Now, what if na ako smarter choice for you? Are you interested to know? Okay, very good. Now, for the same amount, tita, of 5,000 pesos a month, okay, times 3 years or 36 months, pila ang total mo na premium na bayaran? 180,000, the same premium lang. Pero, in case of unexpected death, pila ang guaranteed benefit? 500,000. Tita, which is better? This one or the smarter choice? The smarter choice. Imagine, tita, the same amount, the same number of years, pero ang smarter choice ang gipili mo. So, kaning smarter choice, nani pangalan? Saan na siya? Try to explore. You want to know more about this product? Or dito pasta?
Parisan. Nahurot ng kape.
Diyan ka pa-order pa.
Nahurot ng kape.
Dito na-order siya.
Ha?
Hindi, ginanong ang kape kanina. Okay, so guys, give Ma'am Melanie a round of applause. Thank you so much. Also, big sa.
Papawaon ta na, sir. Oy.
How did you, what are your thoughts about the role play? Is it good?
Yes.
Do you think you can also do it on your own?
Yes.
Definitely yes, no? If you time it, di na siya malapang 10 minutes. Diba? Di siya malapang 10 minutes.
Kung kita magpapit, do magka-oras. Do pa man ka-oras.
Ha?
Sabi yung tamayabag sa
May cheesecake.
application form. Dili, oy, wa pa man na yung application. Duha ganun ka-oras mag-istorya.
I passed the 365, traditional exam. She would give me the cheesecake.
So,
I said, no, I don't have the cheesecake.
so you mo dun sa send sa cheesecake.
Miss Hazel, let me see her.
Si Miss Hazel? Sige, I will tell her. Naliunta ang cheesecake dyan si Miss Hazel. Akin siya po mga we had a role play. Ayan, so guys, if you can do that when you are doing what you did. This one is 30 years old. 30 years old. Okay? Alright. So this is the smarter choice that we can offer you and your clients in the future. So siguro ngayon, no, alam mo na yung product and what insurance can do to you and your clients. What's next? Siguro ito na yung tanong nyo. How much can I earn a Pioneer? So, this is your sample 365 financial planner compensation. So, ang product na pinag-usapan natin kanina, meron po siyang tinatawag na first year commission. So, magkano yung first year commission? Depende sa edad ng client. So, 0 to 45, it's 40% to annual. 35% kung other modes. What do you mean by other modes?
Is kuan
Semi-annual, quarterly, and
monthly.
And then if ever naman 46 to 50, it's 35 for annual and 30% for other modes. What's good about this product is na pud kay renewal commission. So your renewal commission in second year is 10%, on the third year 5%, and on the fourth to the fifth year 1%. So guys, if you join us here in Pioneer, not only will you have active income, but also passive income. Because as your clients are continuously paying, you are also continuously earning renewal commission.
Yes.
Okay, so para mas ma-appreciate nato siya, we have here sample no 30-year-old male, 5-pay plan, death benefit of 540,000 pesos. So the annual premium is 60,000 pesos. Because annual mode of payment siya, how much is the first year commission? 40%. So how much is 40% of 60,000? That's 24,000
ang first
pesos.
commission.
First year commission pa lang na. Then, if ever continuously, yung client mo ay nagbabayad, then meron ka pa 6,000 on the second year, 3,000 on the third year, and 600 pesos on the fourth to the fifth year. Alright? So sa loob ng isang buwan, kapag meron kang at least 4 cases na the same yung annual premium, how much can you earn?
90.
That's around 96,000 pesos total earnings in 1 month. So sinasabi nila, uncapped earning potential is really possible in Pioneer. That is true.
Yes.
Because the harder you work, the more you'll be paid. Alright? Okay, at ito pa. Wala'y labot sa basic commission that Pioneer can give you. We also have many bonuses, including your quarterly production bonus. So sa quarter, pila man ka months? 3 months, diba? So, kung ang inyong total FYP or first year premium or all of the premiums paid, okay, mula pa siya o 150,000 and up, you can have
3%.
basic bonus of 3% up to 12%. Okay? And then in previous quarter, you were also able to reach the FYP na additional bonus on top of your basic commission. So for example, in Ani, diba? Sa example na ito ganina, diba? 24,000 ang iyahang commission for one sale. But if ever, in a month, na siya 4 cases, the total FYP niya is 240,000 pesos. So now, na ba siya quarterly production bonus? The answer is yes. Nga naman. Because dapat 150,000 and above para ang client magka-quarterly production bonus. So, pila man ang iyang quarterly production bonus rate? 12% because labaw siya sa 500,000 pesos. Now, take note po that in this type of product, to compute for the payout, the quarterly production bonus rate will be applied to 70% of the FYP. So, una na itong himuon is, we get 70% of the 720,000. So, pila na siya? 504,000 pesos. 504,000 multiplied by 12 pila? 60,480. That is your quarterly production bonus, which is given on top of your basic commission. And not only that, if last quarter, you were also able to reach this amount, napaka-additional, same amount of 60,480. So, killing total na quarterly production bonus? 120,960 plus pa ang 96,000. Isn't that amazing?
Amazing.
Diba? Amazing. Pioneer can offer that to you. Okay? But wait, syempre sa Pioneer, there's always more. Because, diba, we talk about the different financial rewards. The first year commission, annual commission, quarterly production bonus, additional bonus, napatay ginatawag na persistency bonus. What's the meaning when you talk about persistency? Persistency. As a financial planner, when you talk about persistency in your business, it means your clients are continuously gabayan sa ilan na policy. If ever sila continuously gabayan, what will that do for them? What's may benefit para sa ilan? Siyempre, continuous ang ilahan na coverage. But what will that do to you as an agent?
Commission.
Okay, additional income for you. Because you can earn persistency bonus. So guys, take note, if you join us in Pioneer, not only will you create an impact on the lives of other people, but you can also earn all of this financial rewards. At ito pa, we also have other perks and benefits. Siyempre, we have hospitalization for all of our qualified financial planners. Siyempre, we want to take care of your health as well. And of course, because we are a life insurance company, we also offer group life insurance to our qualified agents. We also have laptop equipment loan para you are presentation ready. Ay, nanay, i-alert na po. Time's up na. You are presentation ready, when you talk to your clients. At alam mo po, the best thing about joining your Pioneer is we always recognize your efforts.
Focus award.
Okay, we always recognize how hard you work here in Pioneer. Naatay ginatawag na Focus Awards. Okay, Focus Awards, which is an annual na spotlight for all of our top financial planners. And the best thing about joining Pioneer are the travel incentives. Okay, so later, Sharon will share with you, example lang naman, will share with you, what happened to her very recently. Di ba si Ma'am Sharon, pula-pula pa? Because fresh from
Boracay.
Pero guys, eto. Boracay, ma'am, di ba? Okay na kayo. But, alam niyo ba, if you join us now, you can still try now and go for our annual travel incentive.
Yeah.
Do you know where? Wala pa. Kasi first timer ka mo. Okay.
Korea.
So, ano ka ba doon?
Korea.
Okay, I am going to show you. Let's watch this video.
Korean sila. Turkey. Dito na nagigan si Koan. Dito na nagigan si Ma'am Ay. Turkey na. Pinakanindot ka na makaadro ka niya dito rin, no? Sayaw-sayaw ka na dito, Ma'am. Kana jud mga inana, kana may lami, oh. Kana maghimo ra kag imo ka ba nga kuan. So, imo kag imo ka nga kana pizza. Grabe no, dito sa ilahang kuan, no? Castle. See you in Turkey.
Alright. So guys, taas ang kamay kung sino yung gustong sumama sa Turkey.
Ako, apil ang tiil.
Okay, apil ang tiil.
Apil ang tiil.
Okay, guys, para ma-manifest natin, no? Follow me. Follow me,
Ako,
ha?
apil ang tiil.
28,
20.
29,
29.
30.
Turkey!
Dapat no? Ang goal nato for this year is to be able to go to Turkey the following year. Okay, but that's not all, guys.
There's another way you
Here's
can
another
help
way
and
po
earn.
on how you can help and earn dito sa Pioneer because we have what we call the Agent Referral Program. So if ever you are already a licensed agent and then you have family or friends na gusto mo rin maka-experience sa mga experience mo, you can also refer them. Meron kang income, no, through them. So mechanics will be posted soon. Alright, so together po dito sa Pioneer, we build community financial planners dedicated to protecting dreams and securing lives. So we are providing business opportunities now that can help families build financial security because we want to build a community of hope and help protect secure lives one dream at a time. Okay, so at this moment, I also would like to share with you na if you join us here in Pioneer, you're not just working. Okay, you're not just helping people, but actually you are also creating your own impact on your life and on the lives of the people that you love. So we're already at the last portion of the session. I want to show you stories coming from our Pioneer Financial Planners at kung paano po nabago yung buhay nila because of Pioneer. So let's watch this.
Stories from the agents.
I'm Sharon Restall. I've been with Pioneer for
Listen.
it's my 4th year also as COE. Twice na for my name is Donald Simakulangan. I'm 35 years old. I have 2 boys. I started 5 years in 2010. It's been 5 years and something more years to come.
40 ka na isa.
Without a sound and
There is 16 years naman, 30 plus. Mas Ma'am Shiny sa rin.
Hi, I'm
Lorena.
30 sila ng kasuhan.
30
I am
ka
legally married with one son, and I am the unit manager at
Basta pa anak from Ma'am Kuan na
being a financial
Lorena.
planner. You will have an unlimited income.
Tawag mo siya.
Actually, paying right on time. When I'm so badly in need of other options, kasi I'm not happy with my current business na ang maganda kasi sa Pioneer is marami kang benefits na matapos ka. May health card ka, meron kang saving insurance, and at the same time, yung tubig season, pamilya, may second family ka din. The reward that I've been receiving, the monthly Circle of Champion, I'm part of it, and then yung mga incentives, travel incentives, so nakasama ko doon sa Guimaras, and in financial side, I was able to buy some investment. Of course, yung travel for free every year. And for this year, I'm so excited na next year, pupunta kami ng Italy. Talkative ako in the sense na nakakatulong. It helps me decide not to work abroad again because the earning is just here in the Philippines. I was able to pay the tuition of my kids for cash. Happy ako din sa yung sasakyan, tapos nagkaroon ako ng investment sa sarili at sa my kids. And most of all, yung pinakagusto ko, yung I have the freedom to choose what I want in the house. I don't need to depend on my husband. Kumuha ako ng one-bedroom unit sa Mactan, Newtown, sa World. I was able to pay my
Gamay pa kay Saira.
Matututo ko kayo sa sarili na magawa ko yung mga hindi ko nagagawa dati. The more you work, the more you're paid. Malaking bagay kung talaga yung mga tao sa Pioneer. Ang laking pagbabago. Just join Pioneer because this is the best career for us. Now it's my time to help others and to change their lives. Na-excite ako every day na dito sa trabaho ko, ang dami kong natulungan. Gusto ko pong mangyari sa inyo yung na-experience ko. I know how the company take good care of us. And most of all, Pioneer is a company with a heart.
Alright, palakpakan naman. Yan. So guys, as you can see, the video was filmed in 2015. What year na po ngayon?
2025. 10 years. 10 years.
10 years. And guys, imagine, 10 years after, Ma'am Sharon, Ma'am Lorena, Ma'am Donabel are still with Pioneer and they are still thriving, consistently creating an impact on the lives of their agents and clients. So guys, who knows after how many years, kamo naman ang lahat sa video. So guys, that only shows how sustainable this business is.
Yes.
Okay? Diba, we're talking about a business that will be your partner for life.
For life.
That could be Pioneer for you.
A business.
Alright. And then just to show you lang, no? Ma'am Donabel, di makulangan. Di ba, ganina, iwang pa siya. Pero, ano dapat sexy. Kasi naman si Donabel right now, so, she was able to multiply herself. Diba, her team is one of the largest in the country right now. That is satellite branch sa Nawan, Batangas, no? And she was able to really help a lot of agents. So if this happened to her team, definitely, that also happened to all of the leaders here in Cebu, with your teams as well in the future. Okay, so with all of this, guys, who is now ready and excited to join us in Pioneer? Pa-raise naman ang kamay. Okay, pero wait lang po. I know you're all ready, no? Guys, take note lang. Okay? To start making a difference and offer our products with confidence, we'll need to get licensed first. You need to be licensed first. Okay? Because take note now, we are mandated by the government to be licensed because we are professionals. We are licensed financial advisors. So we need to take our license first. We need to process our license because that is the first step towards building a career that creates an impact. So we are now going to show you, ano ba yung mga investment na kailangan mo to join us. So definitely po, you need to take the licensing exam. So how much po yun? It's 1,010. Don't worry because we have orientation and review sessions to make sure that you pass the exam. We also have the licensing fee of 1,595 that will give you 3 years of license. So, magkano po ba yung total investment mo for one license?
2,605.
2,605. Now, the great thing about joining us here in Pioneer, you can be licensed for at least 3. We have traditional, variable, and non-life. So, kung dalawa, that's 5,000. Kung tatlo, that's around 7,000 pesos. Total investment. The question is, mababawi mo ba yung
Yes,
total
of
investment
course.
mo sa mga earn mo kay Pioneer?
Yes.
Definitely. Di ba kanina, first pa lang na year,
Bawing-bawing
magkano
na.
yung initial commission?
24,000.
Compare mo sa unlimited income that you can get if you join us here in Pioneer. Right? And you also have here the requirements for tri and variable life licensing. After this session, I'm going to guide you kung ano po ba yung mga kailangan yung i-prepare para po makastart ka na sa negosyo mo. Okay? And I'm sure you're all very excited. No? So these are the next steps to get started. So submit your complete licensing requirements after this. No? So I'm going to guide you after. Join the exam orientation and review session to make sure na papasa kayo sa exam. We also are going to take the licensing exam and process your license. So for the licensing exam, we have face-to-face and we have online exam. So if you want to take it the soonest time, pwede po online exam yung kunin natin. And then once you're already done with the review, with the exam, you need to take the Pioneer Jumpstart training. Yan yung onboarding training natin wherein we are going to teach you all the things you need to do in this business. And then after
Once
that, once licensed, you can begin selling and help clients and attend
Reinforce and
reinforcement and
advanced
advanced
trainings.
Okay, so guys, ladies and gentlemen, with over 7 decades of lighting the path forward for Filipino companies, Pioneer is very much excited to have you join us here. Okay? Kasi po, in this business, your success
Is my
is Pioneer success. So to everybody here, join us in touching more and more Filipinos. After this session, I will help you jumpstart your journey here in Pioneer. So as early as now, I can already feel na talagang you are going to choose us in this business. So as early as now, I want to welcome all of you to the Pioneer Your Insurance family. At this point, if meron po kayong mga katanungan, you can ask questions. Okay, so let's say wala nang questions na. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with us. Once again, I am Chad, and this is Pep Talk Pioneer Empowerment. Thank you, everybody, and see you again.
Nice, no?
All right. So let's start. Okay.
Cut.
So that is the live pep talk demo. How do you feel about it?
Very nice.
Great.
Well delivered.
To give you a link containing the deck, pati yung... You can use my laptop if you want. Okay, pero later na siya. I am going to... Excited si ma'am. Ikaw gano'n mga atong first...
1% na daw siya karon. Ay, pag inanak mo.
Let's say.
Masaya na siya, uy.
Isa lang ito, ma'am.
Pwede naman masaya.
Pwede kayo.
Uy, inanay ko, tapos blitan ka na. Hindi na ako, masaya mo.
Okay, sige. Alright guys, so you're already done with the live laptop demo. What we're going to do right now is to break down the session. Nga naman gina-breakdown nato para we understand what each part is for and kung sa mga tips nato per part. Okay? So, ilang kabong slides ang ato ang pep talk? 50. And this is your breakdown.
Pila. 15
Para you will
slides.
know no, kung unsa ang topic per slide and how to present it properly to your clients. Okay, so let's start now with the first one. Okay? Don't worry, I'm going to give you this test. Forgot mo, hindi para natin. Okay. First one is opening and then the session goes. That's slide 1 to 5. Kung sabi ginahimo nato din. Diba? We
Slide
welcome
1 to
everyone
5.
and thank them for coming.
Welcome everyone and thank them for coming. Break the ice and make them feel at
And then
ease
share what the session is about and
and what
you
they
can
can
expect.
expect.
So guys, tips for you when you are going to do this, be warm and
And
genuine.
genuine.
Be
Good
warm,
anay.
talk to them. Diba, break the ice, kumusta ha, go near them. Okay, dili ka na magulat na kadiri and wait for the session to start. Okay, next tip is speak in a way your audience relates to. What's the meaning, Ana? Dili ka mag-English, straight English, if you believe your clients,
Depende
your
sa client.
prospects will
Depende.
not appreciate it.
Yes, depending on
That's
the
why importante
prospect.
that you know who you're talking to. Diba kung millennials na or Gen Z, use millennial or Gen Z language. Diba? So you always relate to them. Kung feeling mo na hindi ka mag-Bisaya, then do it. Do it. Kung feeling mo hindi mo mag-Tagalog or English, it's up to you. What we give you here is only a guide para na-flow ang presentation. Okay? And then, use their names if possible because it builds connection. You need to know them, you need to talk to them through their name. Okay?
Yes.
Also, ask simple questions to get them talking, but not too many questions at the very beginning. Kaya basics magchikahan na mo, malabaw na mo sa oras. Okay? And then, keep it short but sincere. So that's from slide 1 to 5. Okay, next one is? Yes, ma'am.
Tayo ka ng time frame. Ano ang first part?
Okay, actually, ma'am, wala na ako siya gibutangan ng time frame because basig ma-anxious na si facilitator ganina na siya ginasunod. Ang goal lang dyan nato is dili siya mulapaw og an hour and a half.
Ang whole.
Ang whole.
Ang whole.
Okay, yes. Pwede niya mabawi sa uban. And it also gives you the na dili ko magpalugay because naapay uban na session na parts. Okay, so basta ang goal nato dito mulapaw ka hour and a half. Actually, nganong nag-hour and a half siya? Because that kind of videos. Pero do you think the videos are helpful for you?
Yes.
Yes, nga naman.
Sa'yo naman siya. Mas
dali, sir.
Okay.
Mas dali.
Mas dali. It's self-explanatory. And it also gives you the opportunity to rest.
Yes.
Kaya usahan na lang kung ikaw na pero ang gastorya for 1 hour.
dingog.
Diba? So I hope that you use the videos as well. Okay, so diba? Sa slide 67, we talked about the career opportunity in Pioneer. We played the video featuring Paula, no? And we highlighted how this business can create an impact. So tips, test the video and audio
ahead of time.
Before you present, dapat i-check mo kung gablay siya or basig corrupted yung muhang file. Okay, also, set expectations on how long the video will be. If you remember ganina, kasama na akong isulti, the video will run for not more than 3 minutes. Diba? You give them that expectation para they will know kung sa kadugay ang video. Also, use external speakers if you have a big group. Let's say, automatic sa pagadian, ma'am. Laptop lang yung dala. Saan pagkabating nila, diba? Sa likod. So, if you are in big groups, always bring speakers. External speakers. Kaya, our presentation is full of videos. Dili dyan siya mag-work if they will not hear the videos. Okay? So after the video, connect it to your story or experience. That's why I'm always asking, how did you feel about watching the video? What did that video make you feel? You need to connect it para they will also relate it to themselves. Alright? Next you have here, Meet Pioneer and our track record. So nag-play ta company profile video, nag-share ta about Pioneer's partners, our joint ventures, and ang claim stories nato. So tips, appeal to their emotions. These are real people, real stories. After the video, you ask your audience, how did it make you feel? Diba? That's what I did kanina. You appeal to them because the more emotional your audience is, the more you can open up to them. Okay? And then emphasize that for over 70 years, Pioneer has been changing lives and we're just getting started. Okay, next we have here, we talked about real stories, real impact. Katong story ni Paula and Ma'am Sharon, no? Earning while making a difference. So facilitation tips highlight how we help others in tough times. Share the purpose of being a Pioneer financial planner and remind them
It's more than a
that
job.
this is not just a job, a
It's a
business,
calling.
but it is a calling. Okay? Next, we have how the business works, ang training and client approach. So, dire, diba, nag-ask ko for a volunteer, right? Question, why do you think that it is good that you do that? Na you ask for a volunteer.
Appreciate niya ang kwanse.
Okay, because they can appreciate better what you're talking about. Also, it keeps the session engaging.
Engagement.
Hindi lang tanan ikaw ang gastorya. Now, for this one,
You make
it
people
depends.
part of the...
It depends sa audience mo. Because if nag-one-on-one ka, you can just ask your client, your prospect na recruit, diba? So for example, ma'am, ikaw ako ang client. You can do that. But if you are in a crowd, kung daghan og tao, then that is when you are going to get a volunteer. Now, kung magstoryahanin na mo, use natural, relatable language. That's why kami ni ma'am nag-Bisaya me. Because that is something that keeps the story engaging. Okay? Keep it fun and engaging and thank your client and ask others for feedback. That's why, diba, hinsulti ko after na, let's give ma'am a round of applause and I ask what you think about the role play. Okay? So that is how you do it. Okay, next is, we also showed about the income potential and then the rewards. So tips, check if they understand the sample earnings. So wala na ko namutangan ninyo because I know you already know this one. But when you are in a group of people, it could be overwhelming na daghan big numbers. Especially ang quarterly production bonus, diba? So you always ask your clients, your audience, if so, ma'am, did you understand the sample earnings? If not, balikin para mas mag-gets nila, no? And they can really appreciate kung how much they can earn here within Pioneer. Here, remind them that Pioneer helps you help others and your own family too. Okay, we also talk about success stories from Pioneer agents. So remind them no success takes time, effort, and heart. So guys, for this one, if na mo'y other stories that you can also share, you do it. Especially if you're already long na, you've been here in Pioneer. So pwede yun na siya. Okay, so at the end of the session, we talk about licensing, diba, and what's next. So eto, tip, always emphasize, licensing is required before you can send. Okay? Kaya kung ba, di ba, when you talk about licensing, murag gilit na sila kay hassle tayo. But after they realize na unsa ka nice ang offer, then they will take it seriously, ang pag-license nila. Okay? Assure them that we will guide them every step of the way. And then, lastly, ang closing remarks nato, no? Dili nato tip. At the end of the session, if you have a sharer, this is the perfect time. Kung for example, no, you are here in the office, and then si Ma'am Sharon, no, ang team niya are conducting the pep talk. And then at the end of the session, no, you can ask Ma'am Sharon to share her story in front. After na the session. Not during the session. Because maguba ang imo na flow. After na. Alright? And then open the floor for questions kung naay mga pangutana. And then always ask, no,
Who's excited to start?
Why is it important to ask that? Nga naman, important na, sige, bet, isa man din excited na, pwede isang kamot. Because that is where you can check kung kinsa na
For you to know the interested.
Diba? Dila ni mo ma-assess, kami. Storyhon ko ni actor. Kaya sila ni ang murag hot, diba, sa prospecting na to, hot lead. Okay? And then end by confirming next steps and when you meet again. Ayaw sila buhiin na wala kay plano kung ano sila next makikita sa inyo. So always have a plan. So ma'am, kano sa mga mag-meet para sa mga requirements? Okay? Is it next week or next month? So not next month, next week or after a few days. So you end the session with that. Alright? So, mauni sila to ang key parts and facilitation tips. Again, I'm going to give you a copy of this deck for your reference. Any questions so far? Clear naman?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Kung clear na, mag-assignment na ta. Okay, assignment. Everybody, you will receive a copy of the TED Talk deck. Study it and review the facilitation tips. Okay, I am going to give the link to the BSA. And Mr. Pwede na ba sila here? I mean, how can I send them the link? We have link siya, Google Drive.
Yeah, pwede nga i-send sa
Kasi send ako sa BSA and they will be the one to send you the link. Google Drive na siya. It contains the Pep Talk deck mismo, ang ganina na igamit, plus this deck. Now, don't worry, because ang Pep Talk deck na igamit na ako ganina, nato siya slide notes. So, if you've noticed, na ako diri, diba, I'm actually reading some of the slide notes. Para dili ka memorize dyan na ako, diba? From start to end. That will be your guide to keep it more natural. Para na-flow. Alright? Now, you are going to be paired with a partner. So, pwede ba? I need to know kung kinsa ang mag-push through with the accreditation. Because we are going to accredit you for you to be able to do it yourself. Okay? So, are all of us here going to... Are we going to be accredited? This will be on Friday, whole day. And then on Saturday, morning session. Again, we only have 10 persons on Friday and 4 on Saturday. So that's 5 pairs on Friday and 2 pairs for Saturday. Okay? So at this point, can I ask you to have a pair? And then ma'am, eto pala, if ever di not enough ang ato ang time, can we, una ko na to ang mga UMs first. Because BMs, no need na for revalida. You do this. Ang mga UMs na to, who you believe really needs to be accredited?
Duman lang pero hindi siya pwede sa Friday. Kung take man siya example sa Friday. So Saturday na lang.
Okay, sige. So, Moni, bahala na mo kung kinsay nyo I need to know pala kung isa yung pair. If ever you're going to push through. Because that is schedule. Ang schedule, hindi na lang.
Mo-appeal siya. Pwede. Brenda, appeal po siya.
Sige, you think about it amongst yourselves.
Daw, prevalida.
Okay, naka-schedule ng weekly flash later. Naka-schedule. Pero muna siya. Guys, take note. Use the skill in the slide notes or your own style as long as key messages are delivered.
10 sa Friday, 4 sa Saturday.
I don't require you to speak full
14.
English. Kung gusto mo mag-Bisaya na ako, okay na kayo sa bot na job ko.
Yes.
Kung gusto mo mag-Ilonggo, Tagalog, pwede job. Ayaw lang pag-Chabacano or Ininchik, kasabot. So, depende din mo, English, Tagalog, Ilonggo, Bisaya, okay lang.
Binisayon.
Okay? And then guys, one of you will do the first half of the session. The other one is the second half. Okay, so muna siya the partner mo. Diba? So you're the first speaker, you are going to talk from Okay, 50 slides, diba? 50 slides. So, ang first half
50.
is from slide 1 up to slide 27.
27.
First half. Second half is
28 to
income
50.
potential until closing. Okay? So, you can take a photo, no? But again, I'll send this to you. Now, the thing is, you will not know today kung unsa ka na half. You will know it on the revalida day. So meaning, you need to study everything.
You need to study.
That's why sa Friday pa siya or Saturday. Okay? Okay, sige. So, let's go back. Alright, so guys, after each run, I will do feedbacking sa inyo. What went right, what went wrong, and what you can do the next time. Okay? Because that is our goal. That's why you need to take this seriously, study the deck. Para sa Friday, you are ready. So sir, unsa man ni revalida lang, wala na yung mga passing-passing? Syempre na Nothing criteria for yung judging.
Agoy.
Okay?
Aman.
Okay. Content and clarity. Kung sa meeting na, you are able to clearly deliver the key points. Accurate
Ikaw na lang po, hindi ko klaro.
That's 35%. Next, delivery and presence. Confident ba ka? Natural ba ka in
Na maugid na.
Enthusiastic ba ka? That's 30%. Engagement. How do you deal with your audience? That's 20%. And then the use of slides and spills, that's 15%. Okay, you are going to be accredited if you are going to reach at least 80%. So meaning to say, I will be rating you. Okay? So guys, you will not be accredited if you will not pass the revalida. That's why you need to study the deck, practice sa balay. Okay? Para ready na ta on Friday or Saturday. Excited na si Ma'am, ha? Siya dyan yung pinakauna. So, muna siya ang schedule, guys. Okay? Sa Friday, natay 5 pairs. Now, I need
Sindi ko na ang schedule, B.
And sila, assist nila kung isa sila. We need to know now. Okay? So, muna siya. If you are going to be presenting on Friday, you don't have to be here from 9 to 5:30. Depende kung kano sa
time raman mo dahil.
But if you
Sa
want
schedule
to
ra ni mo,
see
Bren.
kung saan nila pag-present, pwede jud. Okay, para na
Ganahan ko matanaw para na
basis.
kuan idea.
Yeah, after yung maghatag feedback, balik na sa 100%. Unfortunately, that is the ideal scenario, but we don't have the time for that. That's as much as possible, in our first run, maka 80% na, para goods na. And then, in the future, maybe you can do your reassessment with your leaders na. Para maka-check sila kung okay na ba yung mga presentations niya. Okay? Yeah, we need to know right now. Okay, again po, let's prioritize muna yung mga UMs. Alright? Because kayo yung kailangan. Okay, who will do the first pair? Si Ma'am Joy, very good. Okay, who's your partner?
Team.
Wow. Okay, Miss Cha, okay lang. Okay, so Ma'am Dean, you will be on Friday 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. first pair. Now take note, guys, when you are going to do the presentation, you don't need to play the whole video. Okay? No need to play the whole video because dugi kita maguman. Okay? Just play the first part lang, then stop, then do your thing. Alright? Okay, next pair, 10:30 to 12 noon. Kinsay gusto?
Unyara. Unyara. Ma'am Shai. Unsa man?
Sabado? O sige, nanay ni volunteer for Saturday. Sige, sa ganin?
Ako Sabado.
Kathy and
Unsa ka ma'am? Kinsay Paris gud
Okay,
ako.
sana lang ako available Saturday. Nanay ni 10:30 to 12, 7 pair.
Saturday.
Si Miss
Ang exam naman niya pag Friday.
Oh, so 9 ka to 10:30.
Yes.
Okay.
June.
Sige, who's your partner?
Wala ko yung Paris.
Sige.
Di, pwede man ka. BM? BM? UM?
Okay. Sige.
Ha?
Sige, wait ka.
Saturday lang ko.
Kami.
Kita lagi.
Pero Ma'am Sharon, let's check muna if ever na ay...
Ako.
Dara.
Okay.
Dara daw kita.
Dara. UM sila.
Okay, good. And then si Sir Chester, 2:30 to 4 p.m.
Unsay Ma'am Melanie Saturday?
Who's your pair?
Okay na kung Saturday.
Just check muna natin kung meron.
Kung may gusto dyan na iba,
Yeah.
magpresa ka dyan.
Okay, sige. Who is going? Insan pa ang wala yung pair? Who would want to have it? 2:30 to 4.
Ami.
Would you want? Okay.
But I will be here.
Yeah, definitely.
Dara.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Mama.
Ay, kasi niya naman tayo.
Practice na. Okay, kinsa pa lang wala. Kamu, ma'am. What's bang open na slots, Miss John?
Open na. Jack.
Friday, second pair. And
Third pair.
third pair.
Tsaka
And
fifth pair. Okay.
Kung wala mo pa sa fifth, kami daw doon.
Okay, pero ano ma'am? let's
Mukuha
start with
sila.
this one.
Yugan ko may una. Dili, man na.
Ikaw ang
Ako
available.
na. Si Jackie. Jackie. Oo.
Miss Jackie, ikaw ni Miss Brenda. Fun ka, Miss Brenda.
Kay Brent. Choy na lang. Kana Saturday lang 10:30 to 12 na. Ana na. Unsay available sir?
Second, third, and fifth.
Second, third, and fifth kana Friday. Fifth ba ron? 4 to 5:30.
Yes, ma'am. Ang uban nga mga UMs nga wala natin diri today. Unsa man na sila? Chat. Okay, supposedly, ato i-prioritize ang mga managers doon, pananunta. Pero not everyone is here man today. So, how are we going to?
Pero ma'am, it will be difficult for them to attend diretso na wala sila naka-witness today. So I think that's another session.
Okay. Sir Jan, ang naabya karon diri not everyone is
Yeah.
manager. Naka sa agent. So, what
Oh, okay.
is it okay?
Let's prioritize first the managers.
Okay.
So napatay 3 slots.
Sir,
If wala na then anyone, yung ma'am can ano.
sige.
Pero naka-
Agent.
Agent sir.
Sitting right here a while ago. Si
Nalimutan
Shirley.
ko
She
si
left
Andre.
just when you finish.
Okay.
Walang niya bitiwas ang katong pinakalas na. Pero naminaw siya the whole
Bren,
time. She
Bren,
wants to join
ganahan ka?
now, but she don't have-
Who's the...
Makakommit ka?
Pero-
She's willing sir. She's willing. Jackie.
Okay.
Wala siya partner.
Yeah, so pwede.
Si Miss Shirley. Wala ko, Shirley o si Jackie.
Dili ka.
Asa man sa time?
Sayang ka ayun nakakaroon.
Again,
Revalida.
second, fourth, and fifth.
Ano kun ka ayun?
Second is 10:30 to 12. Fourth, 2:30 to 4. Fifth,
Ikaw na lang din.
4:30.
4 to 5:30. Fifth pair. Fifth pair.
Okay, fifth pair. Miss Cha, may fifth pair na kita. Who's your partner, ma'am? Si Ma'am Shirley.
Oo.
Okay. So, napatay
Sila na
second
lang.
and fourth.
Si Miss Jackie.
Oo.
Second and fourth.
Si Shine.
Who else?
Okay, ganahan na si Jackie.
Ah,
Okay, nakuan ba ako gagkanang nagkuan ba agad. Ako'y ba pag-agad og tao nga di available unsa ni mo pag-convince sa tao kun dili ka ka
Second and third.
mo na siya.
Mana mo?
Apil
Mana mo?
ka.
Ano mo schedule?
Napay dua. Napay
Jackie,
dua.
Sayang po.
Second and third.
Kami
Ha?
ba?
Wala na. So, pwede. You want? Okay. Wala. O so ganito ma'am, ang available?
Ang available
10:30.
second and third. Second and third.
Second and third.
So 30 to 4.
How about third? Di ba best third?
Second pair.
Second pair na lang si Miss Jack. Second pair na lang mo ni Miss Shirley, Miss Jack. Kaya dili siya available ng hapon.
Ang iyang time.
Ako ang iyang time kay kasagaran na afternoon yun ang oras.
Wait, kasi may like pair ni mo ni Miss Shirley.
4 to 5:30.
Kita sa Miss
Hindi, sila magkani Shirley.
Buntag ko po ang kuha ni Miss Shirley.
Buntag yung available.
Hindi siya available
Kamu
na
man.
iba.
Kamu. Yung mga available. Sayang no?
Hindi ko siya available ng buntag.
Why pare si Jackie? Why partner? Pwede rin sa'yo. Ako na partner ni mo na. Mabalik ko. Pwede rin yun. Ganahan ko mabalik kay. Pero taka maong.
Saan naman?
Walil po. Sayang kayo. 1 hour and a half ramang kamo ari. 4:30 to 5:30. 4 to 5:30 ra kamo ari. Mo ari kag alas 3. Friday. Mang Brenda, ma'am. Why partner? Ikaw lagi. Usara na ka oras og tunga oh. Mo ari kag alas 3. Aron maka-practice mo Jackie. Buntag. Okay ra ma'am. Pwede ra po maski sa available.
Kay motate man sa fifth pair si Miss Aileen si Miss Emel dapat na sila training sa buntag sa Davilay.
Di ka available buntag dahil. Maglisod man ni siya good kay iya ang papa di na katilaan. Manang afternoon magyud siya.
2:30 Miss Jack.
2:30 to 4 dahil.
1 to 2:30 pa.
Tanan 2:30 to 4 na na.
Naan na.
Kami dito po si Miss Abby ang sinisit kasi mamus pwede sila sa
2:30 to 4 pwede na siya. Pwede na ko 2:30 to 4. Kay hapunon yun kasagaran niya ang activity.
Miss Sweet.
Miss Sweet.
Miss Sweet.
Sweet.
Ma'am Sweet. Pwede na ka ma'am sa kuan. Kanang 1:30 to 2:30.
Kamu ni Miss Abby.
Kamu ni Miss Abby.
Kaya para si Miss kamu ni
Friday.
Miss
Friday.
Abby.
Friday. Pwede si Miss Abby ma'am. 1:30 na kabayad. Iwatan sa lahat.
Dili ka pwede 1:30.
Dili ka pwede ma'am.
Wait lang, hago lang.
Sige go.
2:30, 10:30. Okay. Panalitan akong mangod na ilakaw. Matagal ko yung lagi. 4 to 5:30 lang. Pwede raw. 4 to 5:30 lang. Alos break ko man, Charis. Pwede raw.
So, one, Friday.
Doon na ipares kay makapunta.
Guys, listen.
So, Friday, first pair, that's 9 to 10:30, si Miss Beth, o si Ian. Then, second pair, that's 10:30 to 12, will be Miss Shirley. Ikaw si Ma'am Rowena, masulohon daw niya. Wala tayo.
Kasi na ay like DM na po want to join.
Or
si Ma'am Rowena.
sige, ito ano siyang pangintaan. So, third pair, which is 1:30 to 2:30,
1
this
to 2:30.
is vacant pa. And fourth pair is Miss Ami and Miss Cristita, that is 2:30 to 4. And fifth pair is Miss Eileen and Miss Elite, 4 to 5:30. So, Miss Jack,
1 to 2:30. Mora
1
na
to
bilin.
2:30. Or, parisan mo si Miss Shirley sa 10:30 to 12.
Isod siya sa morning. Ari na lang ako na mo. Sugal na ko ng 1 to 2:30. Giveaway ko sa uban.
Sige. So,
Basta di lang ko morning. Di lang morning.
So, na to siya. We'll just post this.
Iyaha ang 1:30.
Oh, yaha ang 1:30. 1
1 to 2:30.
1 to 2:30.
So for Saturday, all good na, diba?
For Saturday, Miss Melanie and Miss Dara will take the 9 to 10:30 and Jmar and Kathleen will take 10:30 to 12.
Okay, all good.
Hirap po.
So guys, mo na siya. Okay. Tanan, all good na, diba?
Yes.
So guys, mo na siya.
Melanie,
Okay, listen.
9 to 10:30 ta?
Diba I told you
Dita, 10:30.
na I am going to give you the link.
Yes. Sa'yo kayo ng 9:30. 9 o'clock. Uy, layo mo ah.
Do the revalida.
Ari, tas 10:30.
For those who do the revalida. Okay? Now, if ever you are not yet available, you can do the revalida with your leader. If you are already ready. Okay? Miss Shine, they will do the revalida on Friday, Saturday. We are going to give the link of the presentation materials to them today. Ang link will only be sent to the people na nakaka-discharge. In preparation for
Friday and Saturday. Alright, sige.
But you already have persons that will be here in Friday and Saturday. Okay, so we're all good?
We're all good.
Okay, guys, I hope that this activity will empower you to really do your best as leaders here in college. So thank you so much for attending today's training. I hope it was a good one. Please